Hello, my name is Jacob Marafi, and this is my video documenting my progress on the final term project for CSCI 4070 game programming. So my game is called Shrinking Sucks 2 Shattered Stuff. This is the main menu that I was working on for the game. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to implement the actual functionality of the main menu. I created a few scripts and whatnot in order to give functionality to the buttons on the main menu and created colliders and stuff, but I just couldn't get the functionality to work for some reason, so I wasn't able to implement it. So the menu doesn't really work. It's created here, but doesn't really do anything. So we'll go to the first scene. Oh, we are in the wrong spot. So this is the first and only level of the game. It's a platformer game. Um, where you're intended to travel around each level, exploring the level and collecting different pieces of the key that would get you out of the level. So in this level, it was going to be just a regular key to the door here. So there's various different things you have to navigate and whatnot, and collect things in the environment and bring it to the end. So it's basic platformer with running, jumping, and whatnot. I fell off there, so I'm gonna restart. Um, so yeah, the it's shrunken perspective. Um, so you're supposed to be like the size of a toothbrush or whatnot, and quite small. You can navigate around. There's the water in the toilet here, and there's different things around the environment and whatnot. Um, so yeah, you navigate through the environment. You jump around and collect things, and then take it to the end of the level and complete it. I unfortunately only did this one level though, so there's no other second or third level. So it's like a recreation of Project 2, um, because it's like a remaster basically. It has the same levels, um, but they're just in Unity and in 3D and whatnot. So there is only one level, so I don't have three distinct scenes. I do have the main menu scene and then the first level. I have falling, jumping, swimming for the player mechanics. I don't have any friendly or enemy assets, no attacks, no player attributes. It is different from the tutorial. I do have the documentation, and then this is my video for it. The only embellishment I will have is the additional assets that I created. So various assets like the mirror, and then that soap, and then the cabinet and the door are assets that I created. Also the walls and the floor and whatnot. So yeah, I created some assets. So I was hoping that that would get some embellishments and whatnot for my game. Thank you for listening to my video for the term project in CSCI 4070 game programming. Have a good day. Bye.